everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to update DEGIRO application on your device. For that, first of all, launch App Store on your device. Then, tap on the searching gear icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, on the searching bar, search for DEGIRO. Now, find the app labeled with DEGIRO Online Trading and go through it. Here, if you see update button instead of open, that means your application needs update. So simply tap on the update button, then your update will start downloading. Make sure you are connected to stable Wi-Fi. After you update the application to the latest version, you can see open button right there. You just have to tap on it to launch the application. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.